Hey everyone, would you like to know how to put this cool patio table together? If you're interested, stay tuned for this next video. Initially, I purchased these tap lights from Target as well, and on the back they had this adhesive that fit into this little connection here. But what I discovered was when it gets hot outside, the sticky side wasn't really sticking on. So this is where the magnets come into play, right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll be gluing the magnets onto the back of this light. Make sure it stays. What we'll do is we'll let this dry, and then we'll come back and place the lights inside of the table. Alright guys, it's already sticking. Let's go ahead and stick the lights on the inside, and depending on where you put the light, you'll get a different effect. Just push the light, and I will close the blind so you can kind of get the effect. There's your light. I did it! So excited.